In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template for Wix. By the end, you'll know how to start with a blank idea and let Wix generate a tailored website template you can customize to your brand. First, head into your Wix site. This is your starting point for building, so make sure you're in your Wix dashboard and ready to work on the site you want. If you're just getting started, simply open the site workspace where you plan to design. Think of this as the canvas you'll transform into a template you can reuse and adapt. Next, if you're not loving the standard pre-made templates, you can have Wix generate one for you based on your topic. This uses Wix's AI-driven creation flow to build a layout, color system, and sample content that matches your niche. Before you begin, it helps to have a clear idea of your site's purpose, whether it's a portfolio, a local service page, or an online brochure, so the generator has the right direction. Now type your desired style or template details into the prompt box. The more specific you are, the better your results. Include your business or project type, the vibe you're going for, modern, playful, elegant, any preferred colors, and the kinds of pages you might need, like home, about, services, or contact. You can also mention key features such as testimonials, FAQs, or a gallery. A clear prompt helps the system shape the layout and content with fewer edits later. When your prompt looks good, click Generate Site. Give it a moment. The system is building your site structure behind the scenes. This step can take a bit, so don't worry if it's not instant. While you wait, remember it's starting from scratch using your guidance. It's selecting layouts, pairing fonts, choosing a color palette, and drafting example text, so you have a cohesive starting point. Avoid closing the tab and let it finish. Patience here saves time later. Once it loads, that's it. Your own template is ready. You'll land in the editor with a full design you can tailor to your brand. Swap in your images, refine headlines, adjust colors if needed, and reorganize sections to match your goals. Use this version as your master template. Keep the structure, update the content, and save frequently. If something feels off, revisit your prompt and regenerate for a fresh variation, or tweak the design directly in the editor until it fits perfectly. And that's how you create a customized Wix template from your idea to a ready-to-edit design.